Hello everyone, I am Richie Allen, the Vice President of Viticulture and Winemaking for Rombauer Vineyards. And I'm here today to talk about our Epicurean escape with Rombauer Vineyards and our Vintner friends. This will be our auction lot for the collective Napa Valley auction, and I can't wait to welcome you all back to Napa Valley this year. The auction lot consists of 5 nights accommodation at the Four Seasons Resort and Residence in the Napa Valley for 3 couples, dinner at the French Laundry for the 6 of you, plus a dinner at Auro, hosted by Bob Knebel, our president, as well as myself. We have a cave tour, wine tasting and lunch at Rombauer Vineyards for 6. We have a tour and tasting at Far Niente, a tour and tasting at Nickel and Nickel, and a tour and tasting at Elusa for 6 people. We also have 147 bottles of premium Napa Valley wine. I can't wait to welcome the winning bidders back to the Napa Valley. Bid high.